Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, October the 12th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle number. This will be number 7260. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again. Yeah, in a minute with the other 4 puzzles. No, 1 puzzle. There's 1 puzzle left. The jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.